dudes, welcome back to Fims Presents RC on YouTube. Paddy RC with you. Now I've got this truck finished. You'll have to excuse my extremely bad welding. I do apologise for that in advance. There's some pretty bad booger welds on there. I don't have a grinder at the moment as well, so I've just basically left them on. I've hammerized it all, but yeah, it is what it is. I wanted to get it running. I want to have a bash for the kids. So this is slightly different this one. I've never done something like this before. I've done lots of different things. Done a twin motor on an SCX10 where I put two 775 motors on an SCX10. This is slightly different. So this is two 35 turn motors, yeah, on one Endura box, which is a copy of this is a clone of a different box, I've been told, but that's the Endura 1.8 reduction box there, 1.8 reduction box there, Hobby Wing 880 there, and just one stick NIM battery at the moment. Yeah, and it's going alright at the moment. I had to chop down some drives, I had to buy some different shafts and chop them down, but I did that. So yeah, it's running alright. We're running on a FlySky FSI6 at the moment. And I've not really tweaked with the ESC too much, but low speed control at the moment is pretty good.